McDonald's hack number 28. Ice cream sandwich. So you can go about this several ways. You can order 2 cookies with a hot fudge sundae, or a caramel sundae, or a plain sundae. But for this hack, we decided to go with our favorite, the Oreo McFlurry. So grab a piece of tin foil, place your cookie top side down, scoop on your ice cream of choice, and place another cookie on top. Fold the tin foil inward tightly and place in the freezer. Freezing will allow the ice cream to really set and firm up so it doesn't slide or spooch out when you consume. Enjoy.